Let's draw a cow. Step 1. Draw the body. Start with a large oval shape. This will be the main body of the cow. Step 2. Add the head. Attach a smaller circle to one end of the oval for the cow's head. Step 3. Draw facial features. Place 2 small circles for the eyes on the head. Between the eyes, draw a small oval for the nose. Extend 2 curved lines from the nose for the mouth. Step 4. Include ears and horns. On top of the head, add 2 floppy, curved ears. Optionally, you can draw small curved horns on top of the head. Step 5. Sketch simple legs. From the bottom of the oval, draw 4 short, straight lines for the legs. Add small rectangles at the end of each leg for hooves. Step 6. Tail. Extend a thin, curved line from the back of the oval for the tail. Step 7. Add spots. Create irregularly shaped patches for spots on the cow's body. Remember, this is a basic and quick guide. Feel free to modify it based on your preferences and add your own flair to make your cow unique. Let's color the cow. Hey, young artists! We'd love to see your amazing drawings. Feel free to share them on our Appchant Facebook page. The link is in the description below, and for Facebook page you can scan QR code. And also scan the QR code or click link mentioned in the description. To download iOS apps and Android apps. Now, elevate your experience. Get the app. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.